You took my heart and you held it in your mouth. And with a word, all my love came rushing up. And every whisper, it's the worst, emptied out by a single word. There's a hollow in me so I put my faith in something unknown. But I'm tired of hope when nothing's to hold. And it's hard to love, and it's hard to love when you're giving me such sweet loving, sweet loving, sweet loving. You're giving me such sweet loving. Sweet loving. It isn't easy for me to let it go, 'cause I've swallowed every single word, and every whisper, every sigh eats away at this heart of mine. And there is a hollow in me now, So I put my faith in something unknown. I'm living on such sweet nothing, but I'm tired of hope when nothing's to hold. I'm living on such sweet nothing, and it's hard to learn, and it's hard to love when you're giving me such sweet nothing, sweet nothing, sweet nothing. You're giving me such sweet nothing.
Nothing.